Hello everyone, I am Sanjay Gupta. I welcome you on Sanjay Gupta Tech School. So this is day 2 of Salesforce Sales Cloud Bootcamp. So today I will be talking about opportunity management. So in last session we discussed about account and contact management, right? So in continuation with that, so let's have one more session today. So before starting the session, like I just want to reiterate this thing. If you follow all the sessions of this bootcamp, so I'm sure you will be able to crack the Salesforce Sales Cloud Consultant certification. So this whole bootcamp is targeted so that you can clear your Sales Cloud Consultant certification, and you have enough knowledge if you go in future to work on a Sales Cloud related project. So you will be having end-to-end knowledge of Sales Cloud. Okay, so moving forward. So again, I just want to request, please like the video, like this live stream. If you are watching live, please like this live stream. Or if you are watching the recording, please do like so that I can get better reach and more people can can get benefit. Because if you do like the videos, so it will be like shared with lots of people as per the algorithm. So please do like the stream if you're watching live or if you're watching the recording. So just a gratitude I want from your side. Okay, so moving forward, I just want to share this slide which tells about me. So lots of students on YouTube, Udemy, followers on LinkedIn, Telegram have 17 plus years of experience as an educator and consultant. Worked in lots of IT companies and did MTech in computer science, having 9 Salesforce certifications. So this is about me, and I'm running my organization, which is Sanjay Gupta Tech School. So we are doing things on YouTube. I have some courses on Udemy, and nowadays, like I'm doing personalized training as well. So I'm helping people so that they can become job ready. So this is my admin module where lots of sub modules are available. So we start with admin, then we deliver the flows related concepts. Then this course covers business analyst, quality analyst, that is for both manual and automation testing. Then we cover sales cloud sessions in depth, service cloud sessions in depth, and experience cloud sessions in depth. And then few sessions are related to AI associates so that you can know about the AI related information also. And all these sessions are like personalized live session, no recording. So in these sessions, you can ask any doubt and you can discuss all the things with the instructor. So a few sessions I am taking and few sessions are taken by the other instructors which are part of my team. And this is developer module where we talk about Apex, Trigger, test classes, asynchronous Apex, LWC, integration, and Omni Studio. So this is another module that we are targeting for developer job readiness training program. So if anybody, if you are interested, you can reach out to me through this email or website, or if any of your friend or colleague, if they are interested to join these job readiness program where they can get personalized training. So just share this information with them. Okay. So in my day 1 session, I got stuck somewhere. Like when I was explaining you about the like teams where we can add team members. It was related to account. So there was one option like how to add default team. So at that time, I was not able to figure out like from where we can create the default team, right? So did some research. I actually just forgot that option. So today I just want to cover up that first, and then we'll start the opportunity management. So jumping onto the org, so basically here you just need to search your user, and if you open particular user, so on that user we have a related list available. If I scroll down, so here you will find this option, default account team. So if you come to this option, so from here you will be able to add team members to the default account team. Okay, so if I click on this add button, so I will be able to add the members into this default team. So before we add the member, just read the points which are written in the beginning. So your default account team should include the users that normally work with you. So generally it happens like if you are working in an organization, so lots of team members will be working with you. So if you think like you are working with regular team members, you want to add a default team so that all those wherever you are tagged in, so all those members should also be tagged in. So you can create a default team. So automatically add my default account team to accounts that I create or accounts that are transferred to me. Okay, so if you are added to particular account, so all this team will be added, and update account teams with these members, right? So if you are part of any account team, so that particular team will be updated with this member. So here we have user and partner user, two options are available, and from here you can choose particular user, you can give access to account opportunities, case, and then you can select team role as well. Okay, so this way you can create default account team, and if you create this, then at the time of adding, that will be available. So let me create one. So here I am adding one user and adding another user, adding team roles, and clicking on save. Okay, with this name, no matching user find. So let me search for the users. So I am searching for test user. This is active Salesforce user. So whatever users are available in your org, accordingly you can create a default team. So this is my default account team. Users are added here. Now if I go to the account, so I'm going to open particular account record. And on account, we will be having this account team. Now here we have this button, add default team. So if I click on this button, so a default team will be added. So these two members are added. Okay, so whatever default team is created there, if you click on this button, so that team will be added. Right, so this was the thing that I missed in the last session, so I covered that. Now let's jump on to the next segment, that is opportunity management. So till now, whatever we have discussed, so we covered account management and we covered sort of contact management, right? Now next thing comes up, opportunity management. So we created accounts, we created related contacts. So I already explained you, if you are creating any account and you want to create contacts for the employees who are working in that organization, for that you have created account. So for that you will be creating contacts. So those employees will be working as a contact in the Salesforce org. Now the account with which you are dealing, if that account is giving you any work, so that work will be known as opportunity, right? So like that will be potential opportunity. It may be closed won or it may be closed lost, right? So basically if you have any opportunity from any organization, so after creation of that opportunity, you need to track that opportunity with the help of opportunity stages. Okay, so basically if I go to account, so we have this SG Cloud Tech. So in previous session I told you this org is basically managed by SGTS, right? So that is my organization, I'm managing this org. Now I have a customer, I have a client. Customer, client, or account or vendor, all these things are interchangeably you need to use. So I have a vendor, or you can say a client, SG Cloud Tech, and that organization's employees will be treated as contacts. So those contacts are already available. Now that particular company, SG Cloud Tech company or account, they want to give me like my organization some work. So what I will be doing, I will be creating a related opportunity for that. So from here in the related list, I will be clicking on new button, and here I can fill that information, right? So let's say they want to give some project. So experience site project. So that is potential opportunity. They showed some interest, like we want to build a experience site, like experience site we need to build in Salesforce. So that particular project. Then close date, opportunity close date. So let's say 31st of July. Then these are the stages. So initially your opportunity will be in prospecting stage, and this probability is basically associated with the stage. So as per the stage value, probability will also increase automatically. So from here, if I'm selecting any other stage value, so you will see probability is also increased automatically. Okay, now if you want to see it in detail, what you can do, go to opportunity in the backend, object manager, and search for the stage field. So if you open that stage field, so here you will see everything. Stage name, API name, type is available, probability is available, and forecast category is available. Okay, so this probability is showing whatever stage you select, basis on that probability will change. Okay, so on record you will see like what is the probability of this opportunity, whether it can be closed won or closed lost. So basis on this percentage you can define it can be closed won or closed lost. Okay, so I'm just choosing prospecting as of now. Then other fields also you can populate, but these opportunity name, close date, and stage are required. So I'm just filling these fields, and I'm just creating an opportunity. Okay, please populate amount. So we need to populate amount. Some validation is also there. Okay, now this opportunity is created. Experience site project. Okay, so here basis on the opportunity stage, you will be tracking. So now what will happen? We will be dealing with that client or account, and on this opportunity, basis on this stage, we will be tracking the progress. So let's say we reached to value proposition, like we need to calculate the value of the opportunity, like how much amount will be like involved in that project. So value proposition, then you can click on save. So automatically at top you will see this is path. So 3 stages are completed. We are now in value proposition, then decision maker, perception analysis, proposal, price quote, negotiation review. So all these steps are available under opportunity stage. So basis on that, whenever any opportunity is created under particular account, so with the help of these stages, we can track the current stage of that particular opportunity. And at last we have 2 options. It can be either closed won or closed lost. So if customer is interested, they want to give you that opportunity in terms of project, like you can work on that opportunity. So you can mark it as closed won. So probability is 100%. If you choose closed lost, so probability is 0%, right? So closed won, if you save, so it means opportunity is closed won, and now the organization who like asks you to work on that project, so now you won that opportunity, and for that whatever amount you want to you already quoted, so on that particular amount basis you will be working on that opportunity. You means SGTS, the organization who is dealing with SG Cloud Tech, right? So there are 2 organizations involved. One who is managing their activities in Salesforce, right? And one is the customer whose account you are managing in Salesforce, right? So this way, first we create account for the customer, then we create contacts for the employees of that customer. Then if we expect like there is an potential opportunity of work, so we track that opportunity with the help of this opportunity record under opportunity object. And both contact and opportunity are related to account record, right? So this way basically stages are being tracked. Now next step, that is very important. So in my admin bootcamp, I never discussed about the sales process, and the sales process is specifically related to Sales Cloud. So when the sales process comes in the picture, so basically whenever we think we need to create record type on opportunity object. Record type for sure I already discussed in my previous bootcamp, that was based on admin. So I already told you that Salesforce admin bootcamp is the prerequisite for these sessions. And few of you might be thinking like it is not that much complex, but in every session you will find something different that is specifically related to Sales Cloud. Why you might think like it is similar to the admin bootcamp? Because for admin configuration, to understand that admin configuration, we generally use sales application. That's why few terminologies are familiar with you, but this sales process and opportunity record type, this is totally different. That was not available there, and I didn't explain. So basically we'll be creating record type, and we'll see why sales process is important to create opportunity record type. Okay, so I'm assuming you know about the record type, but still I will be explaining a little bit, and will be creating record types for you. So basically what happens for opportunity, you will see we have a layout where lots of fields are already placed. Now there may be requirement you have two different layouts for opportunity. Okay. On one layout you have some set of fields. On another page layout you have different set of fields. Now the requirement is we want to launch any one page layout at particular time. Okay, so if you want to launch particular page layout, so for that purpose you need to create record types. Okay, so if I go here on opportunity, so here we have different page layouts. We have marketing layout, we have sales layout, we have support layout, and we have opportunity layout. If I check record type, there is no record type available. So we have 4 page layouts. Do you think all 4 page layout can be launched together? No. Answer will be no. We cannot launch all 4 page layouts together. Any one can be launched. But if I go to opportunity and click on new, if I go to opportunity and click on new, so do we see any option to select particular page layout? No, that is not available. Automatically a particular layout opens up and we just need to fill the information and it will get saved. Right? Now, how to give options to the user so that particular page layout can be selected? So that can be done with the help of record type. I'm going to create a new record type. So as I clicked on new under record type section, I am getting this option. Opportunity record type must be associated with the sales process. So mark my word, if you are going to give any interview where you mention like Sales Cloud, so interviewer can ask like, can you tell me about sales process? So this is very important for that purpose. So whenever you try to create opportunity record type, so opportunity record type must be associated with a sales process. You currently do not have any active sales processes. You must create a sales process before creating the opportunity record type. Okay. Now, if we click here, we can create a sales process. Now you might be thinking what sales process does. So basically, I explained you one benefit of record type, that is through record type, we can launch particular page layout. Record type has another feature as well, that is through record type, we can control the pick list values. Okay, through record type, we can control the pick list values. So basically, if you want to control the stage pick list, if you want to control the stage pick list of opportunity object, right? If you want to control the stage pick list of opportunity object, so that cannot be controlled by the record type. Stage pick list you cannot control by the record types. So to control that stage pick list, we basically need to create the sales processes. Okay, so I'm clicking here. I clicked on here. Now I'm on the sales process page. I need to create sales processes in order to create the record types. So I'm clicking on new. Now here I need to provide the sales process. So basically I will be creating 2 opportunity record types. So my first opportunity record type name will be short term and another will be long term. Okay. So in order to that, I will be creating sales processes with the same name. So let's say short term process, clicking on save. As I clicked on save, so here I can see lots of opportunity stages are available. Okay, so from here few stages I am removing. Let's say qualification and need analysis, then perception analysis, ID and decision maker. So only 6 I'm having: prospecting, value proposition, proposal, negotiation, closed won, and closed lost. 4 values I removed. So basically through this sales process, I am here controlling my stage pick list. So I'm clicking on save. So this one sales process is created. Now going to create another sales process. This will be for long term. This is long term process, clicking on save. Again, I will see all the opportunity stage pick list values. So from here also, I need to select particular values. So what I'm going to do, here I'm keeping all the values. For short term process, I kept 6 values. For long term process, I'm keeping all 10 values as is. Now I'm just clicking on save. So basically I created two sales processes. One is long-term process, another is short-term process. Okay. Now I need to create record types on opportunity. So here, after creating a sales process, associate it with one or more opportunity record type. So I'm clicking on opportunity record type. So we are on opportunity record type page. So from here I will be able to create opportunity record types. Okay. So I'm clicking on new. Let me refresh. Okay, so now if I click on this new button on record type, I won't see any warning because I already created the sales processes, right? So here I need to provide the information and record type label. So I'm selecting short-term opportunity. Record type name, this unique name is populated automatically, and then we need to select the sales process that I already created. So two options are available, long term and short term. So I'm selecting short term process. If I want to provide any description, I can. Okay, so I provided a description. It is by default active, and it is available for all the profiles also, right? If you want to control accessibility of this record type for particular profile, you can do. And if you have followed all the sessions of that admin bootcamp, I'm sure you are familiar with the profile. So profile basically controls uh, like record type can be accessible or not. It controls other things as well. But right now we are creating record type, so we can give access to particular profile or we can revoke as well. At bottom right corner, I have next button, so I'm clicking on that. So I clicked on next button, so this page is coming up, which is asking for the page layout. So for short term, I'm selecting this opportunity sales layout. Okay, if you want to select a different page layout for each profile, so that option is also available. It depends on your requirement, which option you want to choose. So right now for my requirement, I'm choosing same layout for each profile, but there can be different layouts available. Okay, so again from bottom right corner, I'm clicking on save. So there are two steps. First step is to define record type name, and you can decide which profile can access the record type. And on second page, we can select particular page layout. Okay, now here you can see all the pick lists are available that we can control, but stage pick list is not available. Why so? Because stage pick list we can control with the help of sales process only. Right? So one record type is created, that is short-term op, and it is associated with the short-term process sales process that is available here. Now I'm going to create one more record type. So I clicked on new. I'm going to create one more record type, and this record type name will be long-term opportunity, and here I'm going to select long-term process. So this creates a long-term type opportunity. Now if you create more than one record type, so this active checkbox will be unchecked. You need to check it. This is important. If you're creating a new record type and this active is unchecked, so you need to check it. And all the profile permissions are unchecked. Okay, so it depends on you which permission you want to give, like which profile you want to give the permission to access this record type. So right now I am selecting make available so that every profile can access this record type. Okay, I chose make available, so all the checkboxes are checked. Now at the bottom right corner, I'm clicking on next. So again, I need to choose the page layout. So this time I am choosing opportunity layout. Okay, same option. You can choose one layout for all the profiles, or you can choose different layouts for different profiles. Okay, now at bottom right corner, we have save button. I just clicked on it. So my record types are saved. So here also you can see stage pick list is not available. I clicked on record type. So two record types are available here. Okay, long term and short term. Right now, by any chance, if you want to see like which page layout we assign to this record type, so at top right corner we have a button that is known as page layout assignment. So I'm clicking on that page layout assignment, and here you will be able to identify. So we have three columns: one master, second is long term op, third is short term op. Okay, master will be assigned to those where record type is not associated, because on opportunity we already have records, and then in the middle we created two more record types. So for the existing records, record type will be master, and for now onwards, whatever new records you will be creating, for them record type will be long term or short term, and these are the layouts which are assigned to them. Right, if you want to change, you can click on edit, and anytime you can change the layouts. So let's say I want to change the layout for short term. Okay, I clicked on this short term. Then from here I'm selecting opportunity support layout. Okay, so here you will see sales converted into support layout. And if I click on save, so it will get updated. So later on also, for any record type, you can change the page layout. Right? So from the backend, we completed all the things. We created two sales processes. We created two opportunity record types. Now let's jump onto the front end. If I do a refresh, so here you will see two record types. If I'm clicking on new, so I'm able to see two record types. One is short-term opportunity and second is long-term opportunity. Okay. And if I click next, short-term opportunity page layout, this is short-term opportunity page layout. And if I again click on new and select long-term opportunity, so this is for long-term opportunity. Right? These are standard page layouts. Okay. If you want to create your custom page layout, you can do that as well, and you can assign that layout to record types. Okay. So this way I explained you what is the benefit of sales process in opportunity record type. One thing I want to show you, if I click on new and select short-term opportunity, so let's see the stage values. Here we have only 6 stage values. These are controlled by sales process. Okay, total 6 values are available in short-term opportunity. If I cancel, click on new and select long-term opportunity, and again click on next, so here you will see all 10 values. So this controlling, stage, field controlling, pick list value controlling, we are doing with the help of sales process that we have created. So without sales process, you cannot create opportunity record type. Okay, next feature is opportunity path. This also we didn't discuss in the admin concept, so because that is also related to Sales Cloud. And if I open any opportunity, so here we have this path. Okay, on each opportunity we have this path already created. Now, if you want to create this path at your own custom, so that you can define some other features, so you can do that as well. How you can do that? Click on home, and here you need to search for path. So under home, you will find path settings. Just select that path settings. Okay, so if you are creating your first path, you will see the page where first of all we need to enable the particular setting. So just click on enable so that paths can be created. So once I clicked on enable, this new path button is available. Okay, I am clicking on new path so that I can provide the configuration. So we have these options: name your path and choose the object. So path name, suppose opportunity path. API name will be populated automatically. Now we need to choose the object on which we are creating the path. Okay, if that object is having record types already created, so you will see those options available, long term and short term. So I'm selecting short term. So as per short term record type, so basically we need to select the pick list value as well. Okay, so from here I'm selecting stage. So as per short term record type, that stage pick list will be considered for the path. Okay, so whatever values are available in the stage, for that path will be created. Okay, now moving to next. So at bottom right corner, there is a button next. It is hidden my video. So you just need to click on next button, which is available at bottom right corner. You will see this option. Okay, so in this option, what we are going to do, first of all, see only 6 values are available because we selected short-term path, sorry, short-term record type, and short-term record type is associated with the short-term process, sales process. And there we selected only 6 values. So these 6 values are available. Now, how you can customize it? Let's say we are on prospecting stage, and on that stage you want to show some field values, key field values on the path. So here you can click on add and click the values. Let's say amount, close date. So only key fields we need to select. And order number. These 3 values I want to show. So these 3 values I selected here. For different stage, if I click on value proposition, I can select different fields. At this time, I can select different fields like opportunity score, quantity, lead source. Okay, it can be different or repetitive as well. So for each stage, you can pick particular field, and it is optional too. If you don't want, you can ignore discount percent, close date. So 2 fields here. So for 3 stage values, prospecting, these 3 fields will be visible. Value proposition, these 3 will be visible. Proposal and price code, these 3 will be visible. Okay. Now we have 3 more values. If you want to add fields there, you can. Now here we have one more section that is for guidance for success. Okay. So for this stage, if you want to move on to the next stage, so what guidance you want to do? You want to give, right? So you can write some guidance like if you follow these things, so maybe your stage can be converted from prospecting to value proposition. Okay, so in your organization, whatever guidelines you are following, so that stages can be converted from one step to another. So those guidance you can write here. So I'm just writing guidance 1, guidance 2, guidance 3. Okay, and pasting them here also. So for prospecting, guidance 1, 2, 3 I mentioned, value proposition I mentioned. We have this rich text, so if you want to apply some formatting, you can do that also. Okay, so this way we can configure this path. Right, now if you go to next, so this is the second step. First step was to provide name and record type. Second step is to provide fields and text, and third step is to finish. So if I click on next, so we have 2 options. Activate your path. So when you activate your path, key fields and guidance appear in Kanban for the same object, record type and pick list. Not ready to make this path available, save it and activate it later. So we want to activate it, I'm checking it. Enable celebration. So if you want to enable celebration, if you change stage from one stage to another, so you can do that as well. So enable it, and you can select the values. Let's say from prospecting to value proposition, if I'm moving, so celebration will happen. And then if I move to close one, then celebration will happen. And celebration frequency, rarely, sometimes, often, or always. So I'm choosing always. Okay, always, whenever my opportunity move from prospecting to value proposition or negotiation to close one, so some sort of celebration will happen. Celebration will be seeing on the screen like some confetti, like some icons, celebration things will come up on the screen, so that like you can feel that particular stage you have achieved. So that is like you achieved some sort of milestone. Okay, now at the bottom right corner we have a finish button, so I'm just clicking on it. So my path is basically created. Okay, so here this path is created. After creation also, if you want to delete, edit or deactivate, you can do. And it is for short-term opportunity record type, and it can be placed on opportunity record page. Now what I'm going to do, if I go to opportunity record, okay, I will be placing this on the lightning page on opportunity record page. So on top right corner, I have a gear icon. On this gear icon, I'm clicking on edit page. So my lightning record page will get opened in the edit mode. Okay, so after creation of path, you can place it on the record page. So here we already have this path. I'm going to remove it. And on left hand side, I will be searching for path and dragging and dropping it. Okay, or from here I'm choosing opportunity path. Sorry. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm clicking on save, activate. So here we have this option app, record type and profile. So I will be adding it to sales application. Will be choosing particular record type. So I want to have it on short term. Clicking on next, and profile I am selecting as system admin. If you want to choose any other profile, you can, and click on next and save it. Okay, so if I go back, so for this opportunity, this path is available. Okay, if I try to create a new opportunity of short-term type, I'm populating some close date, stage, amount also I need to populate, and clicking on save. So here you will see on this opportunity only the values which are associated with this stage are coming. Okay, and here you have this arrow. Here you have this arrow. If you click on it, you will see the key fields which we configured. So amount, close date, order number is available as prospecting. So if you are on prospecting, so from here you can see the key fields, and here guidance will be available. Like if you want to move your opportunity from prospecting to value proposition, so if you want to provide some guidance to your sales representative, so you can provide them here. Okay, now if you want to change the stage from prospecting to value proposition, so we have two options. Either we can change this from this pick list value, or we can select it from here directly. So choose value proposition and select this button, mark as current stage, and see on the screen carefully some icons are coming up. That is basically celebration that we selected. So from prospecting to value proposition, if you are moving, so that celebration is coming and fields are changed. Now we are having only two fields, quantity and lead source. Okay, so this way you can configure your custom path and you can place it as per the application. So it can be app specific, it can be record type specific, it can be profile specific. So that sort of thing you can do. And this path feature I explained for opportunity, but if any other object is having any pick list value, so for that object also you can create a path so that you can track the progress of that particular record. Right? Now if I go to this opportunity, so here you won't see that arrow because this is coming from the standard. So custom path we placed on that short-term opportunity record type, so there only it will be available. Okay, so I hope this benefited you. It improved your learning, because this feature also I didn't explain in my previous bootcamp. It is specifically related to Sales Cloud, because in Sales Cloud we need to manage the opportunity stages. So that path is basically most important thing on the record. Okay, now I think this is a last topic for today. So opportunity contact role. So basically what happens, let me go to the account. So we created this account SG Cloud Tech. On this account we have few contacts related and we have few opportunities also available. Now if I open any opportunity, okay, so let's say we got a project from this SG Cloud Tech account. We got a project that is experience side project. So that is available as an opportunity. Now if we have this opportunity, so we need to reach out to the people of SG Cloud Tech, and those people are employees of SG Cloud Tech and their information is available under contact record. Okay, now how you can associate those contact record with this opportunity? So on opportunity, we have a related list contact role. Okay, so if you have a project, if you have an opportunity from any account and you want to reach out to that account or organization, so you will be reaching out to their people. So those people you can add here. So you can add contact role. So first select the contact. Let's say SG Cloud Tech contact 1. I'm selecting it, clicking on next. So I need to choose the role. Like if I reach out to this particular user, this particular contact, not user, this particular contact. So what role that contact will play? So evaluator, okay, and clicking on save. So basically if I get an opportunity from SG Cloud Tech, so this is the account, from that account I'm getting an opportunity, and that opportunity, if SGTS, who is managing this whole Salesforce org, if SGTS users will reach out to SG Cloud Tech, okay, so to whom they can reach out. So that contact is associated here and the title or the role is also available. So this way you can relate contacts with the opportunity so that connection can be established. So we have account team, we have account contact relationships, we have this opportunity contact role. So this opportunity contact role is a junction object. This opportunity contact role record basically stores opportunity information as well as contact information. So this is a junction object. If you go to the backend object manager, so I think here you will find it. So opportunity contact role. So this is a standard object, and if you open it, so here two lookups are available: lookup to contact and lookup to opportunity. Right. So this way you will be able to relate, and in setup you can search for contact role. So we have contact role for contract and opportunity. Right now we are dealing with opportunity. So click on contact roles on opportunity. So these are predefined. These are predefined. If you want to add more contact roles, you can. Whatever you will be adding here, so those will be available on the opportunity whenever you are trying to add any contact on that particular opportunity. Okay. So I hope this is also clear. Yep. So this is it for today. I hope whole opportunity management you are able to understand. So I just explained the key things because rest of the basic things you already know. So I tried to explain. If you really liked the session, please hit the like button. If you're watching live, so you can immediately hit the like button. And if you are watching the recording, then if you really like, just hit the like button. Okay, so thank you for joining today's session. I can see lots of folks joined live. So let me see the number. So more than 200 folks joined live. Maybe in different time they joined and left the session. But I'm sure soon this session will also cross 1,000 views. I can see previous sessions already crossed 1,000 views. So it will also cross that. And like share this information with everybody, those who want to really upskill their knowledge in Sales Cloud so that they can also get benefited. Okay, Pratik is asking to explain opportunity contact role. So Pratik, it is very simple. What you need to do, you just need to go to opportunity, and on opportunity we have this related list, which is contact role. So basically opportunity we are going to create in related to any account. On that account we have some contact also created. Those contacts are employees of that particular account. So if you want to have a relationship, like if we have an opportunity, so with which contact we need to communicate and what role they will be playing on that particular opportunity. So that relationship you can create here. You can add any number of contacts. So I'm adding this contact also, choosing different role. So let's say influencer, save. So 2 contacts are added. So if SGTS, who is managing this org, they got an opportunity, so their users will see like on this opportunity these 2 contacts are associated and these are their roles. So accordingly they will be communicating with them. So this way we can manage opportunity and contacts. Okay, so I hope you liked the session. So don't forget to hit the like button. Next week I will be having one more session that will be on campaign management. Okay, so campaign management, then lead management. So lots of things are available, and maybe in July I will be able to complete all the session. So that if you are targeting Sales Cloud certification, so by going through all these sessions, you will be able to do that. Okay, so thank you for joining this session live, and those who are watching the recording, thanks to them as well. Happy weekend. See you next week. Bye, everyone.